starting off with Earn by Time today. Current rate is $17 an hour, and we got our first order. This is going to be a 7-Eleven pickup going 6 miles. Thank you. You too. Total for that one ended up being $8. Finally got the next orders. This is a stack going to 2 different people, I believe. We've got Wendy's and Black Rock Coffee going about 5 miles. Hello?
Hi, welcome. What can we do for you? All right, DoorDash, here you go, and thank you.
Thank you. Have definitely had longer waits, so can't complain too much about that one. Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.
Have a good day. Of course, it's going upstairs. It's always upstairs. Total for those two ended up being $10. Just got the next order. We're going to Carl's Jr. This one is going to be 5 miles. Thank you. Thank you. Morning.
Awesome, thank you.
Yep, have a good day. Total for that one ended up being just under $10. Pretty good, pretty good. I finally got the next order. This is gonna be Krispy Kreme going 8.5 miles. Thank you.
Of course.
Total for that one ended up being $13. Next order up, we've got a flour pickup. This is going to be going 5 miles. Oh my god. Keep getting bonked by these balloons. Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Hopefully those balloons don't fly away. 0 tip. Okay, yeah, I hope those balloons actually fly away. Got the next order right away. This is Starbucks going less than 3 miles. That last order was $5. I don't know if I mentioned it. Thank you. Just 2 birthday cake pops, huh? Is it your birthday too? Last order was flowers and birthday balloons, so maybe birthday twins? Another no tip. Nice. Total for that was less than $3. Love that. And we got the next order right away. This is Starbucks going less than 3 miles. Thank you. I mean, at least they tipped. Total ended up being $6 and change. Next up, we've got a stack going to 2 different people, I think. This is going to be Seize the Bagel and Black Rock Coffee, $12 going about 5 miles.
Here's that.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
You too. Thank you. Just got the next orders. This one is a weird one. It's a stacked flower pickup. It's for 2 different stores going to 2 different people, and it's kind of got me driving around town, so this one's gonna take a long time. For mileage, it said it was gonna be 12 miles, but for some reason I kind of doubt that.
There we go.
Thank you. This one?
You're precious.
Thank you. I just realized this other one with the balloon says happy birthday. Is it just everybody's birthday today? What's going on here? It's like the 3rd one. Oh, that was terrible. Oh my goodness. Okay, yeah, that was really bad actually. No tips on both of those. Total ended up being $11, and it took us almost 50 minutes. Just got the next order. This is for a place called Nothing Bunt Cakes. This might be a ghost kitchen actually. I'm not really sure where I'm going. This one is going 8 miles, by the way. Erica? Who? Erica? Yeah. Oh my God. Thank you. Total for that one was $14, and we got the next one right away. This is Daydream Breakfast Burritos going 8 miles. Okay, let's run because I'm not supposed to be parked here. Total for that one ended up being $15, and I think I'm gonna be calling it here. Current time is 11:22. Total, we are at 108. But anyways, that's gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.